What's good? It's Coach Warrior. Welcome back to the video. Wow, college finals are over. One stressful time is it, right? So to relieve that stress, we're gonna continue right after the part 1 of the elementary school, the elementary math school series. So let's go. We got 3 questions the last video, and we're gonna do 2 more questions, and then I'm gonna give you guys all the answers. I promise this video will be better than the last one. We're gonna be having more editing. It's gonna be much better. Okay, here we go. Question number 4. There is a triangle. Okay, so the length is 10 centimeters. One the one the right angle triangle is calculators. Hold on. Okay, so one of the right triangles has the length of hypotenuse is 10, 8, and 6. Right? So, oh my goodness, the perimeter is 96 centimeters. What is the highlighted area? Okay, what is the highlighted area? This is elementary school problem? No way! This is not elementary school problem. You're lying to me. Hold on. Okay. So if we're looking at this hypotenuse right there, right? This hypotenuse right at the right triangle. So if that is 10, we can use sine or cosine, and we know, this thing is 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees to figure this part out. We're basically finding out the hypotenuse of this thing. So given that if the triangle is identical to one another, then it's 10. Then this one is something 10, 8, 6. You know what? I'm just gonna put sine. Hold on, but sine 90 is 1. I'm just gonna put 5. 5! Finally, this is one good-looking elementary school problem. This elementary school problem actually looks like an elementary school problem. Beforehand, we're dealing with highly trig or something like that. We're not even providing the formula. That one is crazy, but this one is much better. Ready? 6 divided by 2 parentheses 1 plus 2 equals to 1. Okay, so now this is a really good question. Alright, so I'm going to be doing it with you guys. Of course, don't calculate need it. Alright, here we go. Ready? So 6 divided by 2 parentheses 1 plus 2. Alright, so first we need to figure out what is in the parentheses, and we know that's going to be 3. So 2, and then assuming we are going to use distribution property, this is where it gets kind of tricky, because if it's 2 times correction to 3, then 6 divided by 6 is gonna be 1. However, if we're gonna be doing the parentheses first, right? So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is gonna be 3. Then 6 divided by 2 is gonna be 3. So then the other way around, it's gonna be 3 parentheses 3. 3 multiplied by 3. The answer is gonna be 9. Okay, is it gonna be 9 or 1? I'm gonna go with 1. How about you guys? Put it in the comments down below. Alright, here we go. After thorough research, I present to you guys all the answers for all the questions. Let's go. Number 1. Alright, that is the famous Singaporean question along with the circles thing. This one is insane, literally, when I look at it. Okay, so the answer I put is 666, and then I think it was all 4 6s. And then what winds up the detail is actually they want you to look at how many double digits is at the size that they're corresponding to. So at the center there's 3. They're actually hinting you, hey, within the circle in its entirety, there's 3 2-digit numbers. So the top one is actually 2, the right one is actually 2, and then the left one and the bottom one is all 1 because that's the correspondence number to how many double digits number they are. Seriously, this is an elementary school problem? I mean, they should be asking you, hey, what times this is this, and then what plus this is this. Not asking you for these insane IQ questions. Come on. Okay, number 2. I think it was a Japanese 150 IQ plus questions. The correct answer is 113, 113. After research, I mean, I don't even know how I got it myself. But that is the answer. Again, insane elementary school questions. 3, it is the pyramid. Alright, let's look at the pyramid. Okay, so if you guys have looked at the pyramid closely, it's actually your sum for variables, 2 variables, E and D. It's not X or Y, but who cares? Alright, so the way that you actually solve this thing is whatever the brick is, the last 2 bricks, you add them together and then minus 15. Minus the number 15. So for the 1110 is 446 plus 679 minus 15. So to get D, you have to do 679 plus 681 and then minus 15, and that should give you the answers. The correct answers for D is 1345, and the correct answer for E is 2440. And you know what? I actually got it right! I actually figured it out! Bruh! Yeah! Okay, so number 4. This is the answer to the triangle question in which we have been all being, I'm sure, puzzled with, right? Okay, so that is basically the weird, tricky, trigonometry question, whatever the way that you need to solve it. Again, even when I researched it, they don't even know how to say it because it's basically just too complicated to even explain it. Go ask the professor or go ask your teacher. But the correct answer is 7. Alright, last but not least, we have the actual elementary school problem in which I can actually do some thorough research on and actually present the answer to you guys in a good manner. Okay, so this one, the answer is actually quite shocking to you, okay? 9 and 1 actually both works. So if you're going to put this thing on a test, you put 9 or 1, you're going to be more correct. So after all the research, all the math teachers say, though, the answer should be 9. Because the question did not specify by not putting a bracket after the 2, after the division sign, after the 6, and then basically include the bottom half of the equation right after 6 to be specific enough to know, hey, this is the part that you need to do first, thus the answer is 1. Okay, but again, for an elementary school problem, I think we did pretty well. Woo! That was great. I think we had a great time with these elementary school problems. But you know what? The last question, I think I can actually recognize it as a legitimate elementary school problem. That actually got myself thinking. But all the other ones, come on. It's so complicated. Who tests kids these type of questions? If you're gonna ask it to me, I mean, people, as a kid, it's gonna be very, very hard to answer. But you know what? At least we had fun with these questions today, and that's what matters. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, click like, smack the notification button so you don't miss out any more videos like this one. Alright guys, peace out. Bye bye.